most of these speakers you can't hear. So I want to thank you all for coming out. This is our 5th annual APPI Open Car Show. And for those of y'all that don't know, the APPI is a local nonprofit, and what we do is we package boxes up for our troops, and we'll send them a package wherever they're at in the world, and we collect the items all throughout the year. So if you want to donate, you can go by Carl's Auto in Blumpville, and you can drop off your package. They'll take, I mean, we've got a whole list of items that you can bring. Baby wipes is the big thing that the troops want in the desert. So, I mean, it cleans it, But we do that. That's what our nonprofit does. That's 1/3 of our mission. I want you all to know that the APPI is the only nonprofit that I'm aware of that all 100% of the funds goes to the mission. There's no employees here. There's no building. We don't have any cost or anything. Everything's done and run on donations. So every dollar that we get goes to the mission. Even when we do our car show, we get sponsors to sponsor the trophy, so we don't have to dip into the money to do that. So, I mean, everything is done on donation. So give yourselves a big round of applause for coming out and supporting a great nonprofit. I'm going to start off. Last year we had a whole hassle full of awards and everything, and we've done some talking about it, and so what we decided to do this year is we was going to do a top 20 and then some specialty awards. And I'm going to go ahead and start with the top 20. Trying to stay out of the wind here. These are in no particular order. They're just the top 20 cars in the field. So the first one I want to give out, and listen, I have a list of numbers, so I do not know who the car belongs to, and I do that on purpose. I tell the judges just to give me a number. I have no idea where this is going. So the first top 20 award is going to go to car number 41. Car number 41. You got to know your number. All right, yeah, I'll give everybody a chance to go back and look at their number. I need somebody up here to take some pictures. There you are. My photographer's here, I'm sorry. Another top 20 goes to car number 84. 84. Henson McKinney. Come on, Henson.
The youngest driver. Yes.
This young man here owns a 2006, 2007 GT500. So, guess what when 16 comes? Wow. Car number 5. Number 5. Who's that? Alex Key. Car number 5. I got it up there, brother. I ain't even gonna say nothing about you trading in a Mustang for a Corvette. Good job, Alex. Car number 92. Deborah McNew. Car number 100.
Larry Geiger.
Larry Geiger. Number 56.
Carl McKinney.
Carl McKinney. Number 56. Carl McKinney. Car number 24. I could. You got it? Okay, I couldn't hear. Car number 46. I hope all these tents are tied down.
John Saylor.
John Saylor, car number 46. Car number 36. Hey, while 36 is coming up here, I want y'all to, I know y'all have come by and looked at it. Varsity Trophies was the one that done our trophies. They do it every year. And hold that up. Ain't that cool? And I even made sure that we didn't go against flag etiquette there, so I cut a bunch of the stars out and cut a bunch of the stripes out. But that's our 5th anniversary. You know, you got your dash black. I thought that was a cool print. Car number 36, Freddie Jones. (103) And Eugene brings home another dust collector.
Elbow. Yeah.
106.
Danny Moody.
Danny Moody, 106. Is he still here? Hello, Danny. Yeah, he may went to eat. Just sit it down there. Next in line is car number 92. No, I've already called that one. 93, I'm sorry. Car number 93.
Tommy Poor.
Tommy Poor. Tommy Poor, car number 93.
Pontiac Trans Am, 78.
Right their name. (107) There he is.
Danny Hughes.
Danny Hughes, 107. Car number 32. Mr. Grindstaff. Car number 22. Mr. Garrett. '76. Car number 76.
Jeff Dockery.
Jeff Dockery.
I have to cut the microphone off. There he is. Very nice, kid.
I'm having to cut this microphone on and off, keep the wind from blowing in it. Car number 70.
Car number 70 is Paula La Pata. You've done a good job, kid.
Car number 51. Ian Ring. Car number 51. There he goes. Car number 110. 110.
Joe Nance. Joe Nance.
Joe Nance.
Mountain View Bureau.
The last top 20 is 113. Which one is that? Bill Roten. The Vega on Viagra. Where'd you go, Bill? Okay, put that one up for me.